Alright, welcome again to Military Gunner TV. So we have breaking news. Reggae boy Tremaine Stewart has been announced dead this morning, and this is according to Nationwide News Net. Now, the link will be in the description if you guys can go over there and have a read. So, Nationwide News understands that former reggae boy attacker Tremaine Stewart is dead. Stewart reported the collapse this morning. He was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital where he died while undergoing treatment. The 32-year-old recently signed with Jamaican Premier League team Dumble Holding FC. He previously represented Waterhouse FC and Portmore United locally. He also represented Arsenal FC in Norway and Rovaniemi Palloseura in Finland. Stewart represented Jamaica 11 times, making his debut in 2012. He scored 2 goals for the Reggae Boyz. So, sad news for the Reggae Boyz today, people. Hopefully, guys, his family, my condolences out to his family and friends. My best wishes goes out to everyone and all the Reggae Boyz fan base as well who supported him, and everyone who knew him and supported him as well. My condolences goes out. So, this is a sad news for today for the Reggae Boyz. Hopefully, my condolences goes out to everyone.